ready to turn your sheep into a wool generating factory. Today, we're building an automatic wool farm that will crank out mountains of wool for all your crafting needs. No more manually shearing sheep. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need some building blocks, a few dispensers, observers, hoppers, glass, a decent amount of wool or fencing for your pen, some full chests, and of course, our woolly friends sheep. Don't forget some wheat to breed them. Alright, let's get started. We'll begin by creating a nice, spacious pen for our sheep. A 5x5 area is a good start, but feel free to make it larger if you have lots of sheep. Now, let's build up the walls with some glass. This lets us keep an eye on our sheep and also prevents them from wandering away. We'll leave an opening at the top for now. Next, we'll place our dispensers. Position these directly above the pen space. Facing downwards, we'll need one dispenser for every 5 to 6 sheep for efficient shearing. Now for the magic, place observers next to your dispensers, making sure the face of the observer is pointing towards the pen where the sheep will be. These observers will detect when a sheep has grown wool. Underneath each dispenser, we need to place a hopper. This hopper will collect the wool after it's dispensed and send it straight into your storage chests over here. Connect your hoppers to some chests to create your automated storage system. Any wool dispensed will automatically be sorted into these chests. Time to fill our farm. Use your wheat to lure in some sheep. Breed them until you have a nice, fluffy population within the pen. The more sheep, the more wool. Now, watch the magic happen. As the sheep grow their wool, the observers will trigger the dispensers. The dispensers will then automatically shear the grown wool, which is then collected by the hoppers and sent to your chests. And there you have it, a fully automated wool farm, constantly supplying you with all the wool you could ever need for your magnificent Minecraft creations. Happy building!